Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into this. Shout out to Premium Lace Wigs for sponsoring yet another video. So let's get into this look. So for starters, you already know Premium Lace is a staple on the channel. They have really good quality wigs. So the specs on this one, so this is a water wave texture. The origin is Brazilian virgin hair, so it is unprocessed, natural color. This is a 13x6 HD lace wig, and she's 180 density. So upon receiving this wig, I did notice that the knots were lightly bleached, which is bomb because listen, when they start bleaching the knots, pre-plucking these wigs, what is there left for you to do except buy the wig and put it on? Okay, so, but I did go in and I did a little bit more bleaching just because of this specific style. So to get into this style that we will be attempting today, girl Carly sent me this. I love when she sends me hair inspo because it like challenges me, because to be honest, if I didn't do this style, this would have been another wavy bust down look with some baby hairs. But because she sent me this style here, I will insert on the screen, I said, you know what, let's just go for it. So this is a 13x6, but it's not a full parting 13x6, so you cannot go all the way back on the sides. Just taper off to the sides. I think the girls on TikTok call it a boneless wig. It's given boneless on the sides, but you get a super, super deep part in the middle, and that was the perfect parting space to attempt this style. So I sectioned off the hair. So once I applied the wig, I used the ORS wig grip, which I really like this product. It holds really well, it smells really good. And then once I did that, I sectioned off the baby hairs. After sectioning off the baby hairs, I put the lace band onto the lace. Because I knew that this style was going to take a little longer with the braiding, I figured why not just melt the lace in the process. So that's what we did. Trying to like figure out where I'm going to put the braids, because you know we got a deep parting space to work with, but it's like we got to be strategic. So I basically freestyled it, but I did refer to the picture for inspo because it doesn't look like she has braids on the side going all the way back. So about the hair was the perfect wig for this style. The hair is very soft and the curl pattern is bomb. Like it's like just, it's not really a curl pattern, the wave pattern is just enough wave to give it like that textured look, but it's not too much where you need products and it's going to be a lot to manage. Like it's a low maintenance wig, which is perfect for like a vacation or like a, you know, when you're going somewhere you don't want to have to put too much work into your hair. So I feel like that's what this texture is best for. You know what you guys think about this style? Shout out to Carly for sending me this hair inspo. Shout out to y'all for watching another video, and I'll see you in the next one.
This might be new to this thing might feel new to, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be new to this thing might feel new to, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. Yeah. Bet a billion that you gon' like this, 'cause you never had a wild one like that. Don't really do one night shit, 'cause one night make them want a whole life. And you know I left my old lover in crisis, 'cause a new girl a hella uptight. And God broke the mold when he made my type. You got the same vibe, that's what I like. Yeah, it's all about me and talk about me and look at my pics all day. You always say please when I got to leave and say it ain't big to stay. They focus on T, I'm all that he needs and don't ever play no game. I love when you say my name. This might be new to, this thing might feel new to, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be new to, this thing might feel new to, but if you like
let you know I fuck with you. I think I wanna fly you to Peru from Malibu. I wish I had you to myself. I like your attitude, you too fly. She been talking to her friends, talking about the new guy. Talking about the money that I'm spending. I got vision, so you winning. Body fire, need a mitten. If I fuck up, then forgiven. I was dead on relationships, you made me feel like living. I'ma stand on a business, cause I got multi-million plans for us all to survive. All I need for you to do is never fold and don't lie. I felt like you was the one when I had looked in your eyes. Open the door, she seen a ghost, and we should go take a ride. Doing the most, don't never post, don't let them see what we got. We on the boat, enjoy the coast, she let me get right inside. This shit new to me, I never show nobody this side.
Been testing the patience, don't you keep me waiting. Energy, chemistry, you and me can't be made up, has been cultivated. I'm yours for the taking. Hennessy, on repeat, you and me getting naked up.
Let me